Let's say while you're working in AutoCAD and you want some specific tools to be on the workspace, you want those tools to be displayed on the workspace so that you can easily access those tools while drawing in AutoCAD. What you can do is take your cursor, move it to this drop down icon over here, click on this. Then you want to go to where it says show menu bar. So first of all, you want to show the menu bar. Click on show menu bar. As you can see, we have the menu bar which has been inserted above these bars. So what you want to do is you want to go to the tool menu. Okay, so click on these tools. This is where you are going to get the tools. So after clicking on tools, you go to where it says Toolbars. Then after Toolbars, you go to where it says AutoCAD. Now under AutoCAD, these are the different tools. So let's say you want the draw tools. So under the draw menu, there are different tools which you can use for drawing. If you want those tools to be displayed on the workspace, all you need to do is you just need to click on draw. As you can see on the left side, so we have the different tools which fall under the draw tools. So if you whenever you are drawing in AutoCAD, you can easily access these draw tools. And also if you want extra tools, you just need to go to the tools menu, click on Toolbars, click on AutoCAD. Then let's say for example you want the measurement tools, you click on this. Now as you can see, we have the different measurement tools. So you can easily access these measurement tools. You can easily access these draw tools. So you can basically do the same for all other tools. It depends on what tools you want while you're drawing in AutoCAD. So these are the different tools. Now we understand this. If you go to the workspace switching, click on this. As you can see, we have in the drafting and annotation, 3D basics and 3D modeling. Now if you take a look at the save current as, now after you selected these classic toolbars, let's say for example you want to save this tool on the workspace, so that whenever you open AutoCAD, these tools are always going to be on the workspace. So if you want to save these tools, all you need to do is you need to click on save current as. So click on save current as. Now it is going to ask you to input. It is going to ask you to name your classic toolbars. So let's say we will just call this AutoCAD. Let's say we'll call this AutoCAD classic tool. AutoCAD classic tools. Okay. Then you click on save. After saving your classic tools, if you want to see the classic tools, all you need to do is you need to go to your workspace switching by moving your cursor to where it says workspace switching. Click on this. So this is the tool which we created, and it is currently in AutoCAD classic tools. So this is how to save your classic tools. So these tools, they are always going to be on the workspace when you open AutoCAD. Okay, now if you want to go back to the 2D AutoCAD setting, if you want to go back to the normal workspace, all you need to do, you just need to click on drafting and annotation. This is going to take you back to the normal 2D AutoCAD workspace. As you can see, we now have the 2D AutoCAD workspace. If you want to delete the classic tool bars which was created, all you need to do is you need to search for workspace. So go to this, type a command boss, click on it, then search for workspace, then click enter. So as you can see over here, we have a different option. We have save, edit, rename, delete, and settings. So what you need to do, since you want to delete the classic toolbar, all you need to do is you need to click on delete. So now it's going to ask you enter workspace to delete. So you are going to enter the name of the workspace. So the name of the workspace, if you come over here, the name of the workspace which we created was AutoCAD. As you can see, this is the name of the workspace, AutoCAD Classic and Tools. So all you need to do is you need to type the name of this workspace here, then it is going to delete the workspace. So I'm going to do that now. So this is AutoCAD Classic Tools. Okay, AutoCAD Classic Tools. This, now after typing the name of the workspace, click on enter. So it's going to ask you yes or no. Do you want to delete it? Then yes, I want to delete it. Click on yes. So the AutoCAD and Classic Tools has been deleted. If you go to this workspace switch and click on this, as you can see, we no longer have the AutoCAD and Classic and Tools. We only have the 2D and the 3D options.